Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose connections and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up over here. Then tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case Honor. Following that, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device, in my case Honor, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this little gear icon next to the device and tapping on Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!